Hurricane Lorena is expected to make landfall in Mexico's Baja California peninsula as early as Friday. With heavy rain, strong winds, and the threat of flooding, this Category 1 storm is already challenging communities across the region. But while nature brings the storm, engineers are working on bringing the defenses. In Baja, civil engineers work to protect vulnerable towns. Seawalls and breakwaters are designed to absorb storm surge, while drainage systems channel away floodwaters. These structures don't stop the storm, but they reduce its impact, giving communities a fighting chance for this storm. Lorena's rainfall, up to 15 inches in some areas, can turn roads into rivers and trigger landslides. That's why engineers are designing and working tirelessly to bring bridges with elevated decks, reinforce slopes with retaining walls, and construct flood control channels to keep critical infrastructure open right now. Behind the scenes, meteorological and software engineers build predictive models. These simulations don't just track Lorena's winds, they forecast where the storm's moisture will travel next. In this case, remnants are expected to sweep north into Texas, Arizona, and New Mexico in the United States, which raises the risk of flash floods far from the coast. Electrical engineers are preparing for the outages Lorena may cause. Some power lines are reinforced, while portable generators and smart grid systems stand ready to restore electricity quickly after the storm passes. Meanwhile, local engineers and emergency managers coordinate fast action, pre-staging pumps, sandbags, and flood barriers to protect neighborhoods and hospitals. These rapid responses save time in a storm. Time saves lives. For residents, that preparation means you may see temporary road closures, detours, and flood control crews working around the clock. Power interruptions are possible as Lorena moves inland, but utility teams are already staged to restore service as quickly as conditions will allow. Shelters are being set up in the vulnerable areas, and emergency alerts will guide families to safety if evacuations become absolutely necessary. In short, while engineers build the defenses, people can expect a coordinated effort designed to keep communities connected, supplied, and as safe as possible during this storm. Hurricane Lorena is a reminder that while storms are inevitable, devastation is not. Thanks to engineers, the damage will be reduced, recovery will be faster, and communities emerge stronger on the other side. Please stay safe.